In this video, we are going to show you the 5 best 30-gallon air compressors. Let's save your time and money. I am going to show video reviews on the 5 best 30-gallon air compressors on the market. I have made it based on my personal researches. And I am try to list those based on price, quality and more. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest top-rated product updates. Number 5. Porter Cable Single Stage. The Porter Cable PXC-MLC Single Stage is another good, solid 30-gallon tank air compressor. It has the added rarer benefit of being fully portable, so you can move it from place to place with ease. Bear in mind that this product needs a power supply at all times, as it's an electric air compressor that requires a plug socket to function. It has an average SI capacity, with a SI max pressure of 135, about the standard for an oil-lubricated tank. It can run 6.2 CFM at 40 SI and 5.3 CFM at 90 SI. Number 4. Northstar Gas-Powered. This gas-powered air compressor from Northstar is an excellent choice if you're looking for something sturdier. This air compressor is quite heavy and difficult to move around after you've installed it and set it off running. It is, however, extremely easy to use and comes with very clear and concise instructions from the manufacturers themselves. A great bonus of this 30-gallon air compressor is the fact that it comes with a long warranty, giving you comfort and security in case anything goes wrong. However, this product has such good reviews that it seems entirely unlikely that anything will go wrong at all. Number 3. Husky High Performance. Husky C303H High Performance does what it says on the tin, in that it has an undeniably high performance. This electrically powered tool has a large capacity and works quietly in any workspace. In fact, it registers as less than 80 decibels, which is almost a miracle for such high-functioning piece of equipment. This 30-gallon air compressor has a high SI capacity, 175 max pressure, with multiple output functions. It can operate different tools at different times, which is handy for a fast-paced multi-purpose workspace environment. It's also portable, which a lot of air compressors of this capacity are not. Number 2. DeWalt 2-Stage. DeWalt is a popular choice for air compressors, producing top-quality products that stick around for a long time. This particular 2-stage model is made from cast iron material with, of course, the all-important 30-gallon tank. DeWalt has opted to go oil-free with the tank, which comes with its advantages. For example, running the tank won't accumulate extra costs. The tank's parts require much less maintenance than oil-lubricated tank models, which is great. This tool also comes with a 2-year warranty, which other competitor products are lacking. Number 1. Industrial Air Compressor. Industrial Air offers a 30-gallon air compressor featuring a cast iron twin-cylinder. Cast iron is a popular choice for air compressors as it's often long-lasting and extremely durable. This is utterly important when you're constantly using your equipment. This 30-gallon air compressor features an oil-lubricated pump. This means you'll have an additional cost of sourcing and supplying oil for the tank to remain functional. However, most people often prefer oil-lubricated tanks on bigger models as they provide extra durability and sustainability.